more and more COVID-19 patients are showing up at hospitals around the country, there's a growing need for plasma that can be used to help treat them. Julia Palazzo is live in Cool Springs now with more on how it works and how people can donate. Julia.
Yeah, we are inside of Blood Assurance's facility, brand new facility here in Franklin. And you could see this is where these donations can be made. Very critical need. Convalescent plasma is one of the few treatments for COVID patients, and Blood Assurance is actually the only blood center in the region helping meet the demand in our hospitals. So you can see inside of their lab in South Nashville, they are very low on some blood types, out of O negative. Blood Assurance suspended plasma operations in April, but now have to resume because of the rising cases. And we spoke to medical director Dr. Ted Kiefer. He says that someone with high COVID antibody levels can help critical patients recover from the virus and treat some of its complications, including blood clots. Now, the plasma is typically used throughout a patient's entire hospital stay as they fight COVID, and getting plasma from the local region is important because it can treat specific strains being spread throughout our community. Orders from healthcare facilities, he says, are going through the roof.
It's pretty bad. This is the worst that I've ever seen it in my professional career. We're operating on a one-day supply of blood on a regular basis. So 1 day means that we have enough to service our hospitals for that day. And if we're not collecting, if we're not bringing in donors, then unfortunately hospitals are going to be short on blood and unable to treat the patients.
Now, before you donate, you have to be symptom-free for at least 14 days. You can donate up to 6 months after recovering from the virus. You heard him just there. The need is very critical right now to help our area hospitals, and they have several ways that you can donate, including this facility here in Franklin. We'll post more information on our website, WKRN.com. Reporting live in Franklin, Julia Palazzo, News 2.